Hello friends, very good morning. Totally new week and the very first day of this week I have made my position in the morning in MGL and I'm waiting for a trade in Axis Bank also. So let's discuss the trade that I'm going to trade today. So first stock that I have selected in my watch list is MGL and second stock is Axis Bank. So let's start with MGL. So as you know, I always look for a strong reason. So whether the trade will be there in this stock or not. So the first reason in this MGL stock is that this stock in long term it is you can clearly see a very nice and healthy downtrend was there. So price started in sideways movement, and after that this stock has tested this level three times, one, two, and three. So first reason is that strong dominating pressure in this stock is selling. After selling a very nice and healthy sideways uh, was there, and you can clearly see uptrend was started. See here, from here. First, actually, the position was made by the big players over here. Again, the position was made by big players over here, and it created a high. And after this high, there was some correction came in the market, and because of that, price was trying to go up, but unable to make the move. So because of this, price again retested the previous low that it has created recently. So first reason is a strong dominating pressure is selling and a very clear sign of trend reversal, and after the trend reversal one of my favorite pattern, a level is getting tested multiple times and that level is getting actually broken. So I have entered in this trade when this candle, let me zoom out this, when this hammer candle was formed. So actually this was the pinpoint candle where you can take the entry if it is created in the demand zone, and below this line there is it is a demand zone for me and as per my analysis. So I have taken my position over here. So as of now I am in profit, and after some time I will trail my stop loss to confirm my profit. So let us see, and there is whole day it is still is our front. So this is all about MGL. Now move to Axis Bank. So clearly again dominating pressure in this stock is selling. First low created retracement, and from here price retraced again back, double bottom is created. So again I am expecting an uptrend in this stock unless and until it will retest this level. So I will be continuously watching this stock at this level, how this stock is getting actually traded or behaving near this level. If this level is getting broken, then this high that was created on 29th October at 9:20 candle, then this high, this low maybe going to test. So again I am waiting for a buy call in this stock. If buy call will be generated, then only I will trade, because overall market is looking green. So taking a short call is not should not be in our priority. So buy call could be or would be a beneficial trade today in this stock. So again I'm repeating the steps. Dominating pressure in this stock is selling, and after this selling sideway or price is trading in a range, and I am waiting for a breakout of this range and expecting an upward movement in this stock, and as per this I will trade accordingly because market is in green. So looking for a buy trade is actually high probable trade. So this is all about today's trade, friend. Please keep keep sharing my video, and do like, share, and subscribe if you find my analysis is good and if it is helping you to learn the price action. Uh, the lesson that I have learned today is that, so again, the basics of price actions you need to follow or you need to implement in the market according to the market. And still I am waiting for a trade in Axis Bank, and no trade has given any result till now. So I am expecting a positive outcome of the trade today. So let's wait and see. So thank you guys. Keep watching. Keep trading. Bye.